welcome back to another video. We are exploring Kilve Beach. It's a nice little hidden Jurassic beach full of stones, very rustic, very jagged rocked area, and we're going to take some photos, see what we're going to see, explore about. Let's go. Manual lens, it's a fixed prime lens, 58mm, so that's what we're limited to. But it looks really weird on a big camera, it's really silly. We're looking for the Jurassic part as well. These looks like an actual spine, doesn't it?